Why IGC? Rich history and solid track record in large-scale construction projects. Accumulated experience and comprehensive know-how. Highly qualified and well-trained professional team. Adherence to business ethics, professional values and community service-oriented vision. Adopting best practices and highest standards in quality control systems as well as safety programs. International alliances and strategic business partnerships. International access to sources of businesses, expertise, procurement and funds. Systematic approach and well-thought-of operations methodology. Who we are. The International Group for Construction, IGC, is considered one of the important investment and construction groups meriting integral engineering potential in all domains related to the infrastructure, construction, sanitary, mechanical, electrical and other turnkey works in terms of design plans preparation, engineering, construction, execution, and site supervision of works assigned to the group. Moreover, the group is also involved in the trade of all construction materials needed in its projects. IGC consists of a group of highly qualified and professional companies with excellent reputation in the construction sector. These companies operate locally and internationally, executing works for both the public and private sectors, in addition to their relations with important international organizations that are affiliated to the United Nations, such as the UNDP, UNICEF, WHO, LIFE, as well as the PO organization, which is affiliated to the European Union. Our vision: to be one of the key players and contributors to the building as well as construction in the region, particularly the construction of modern Iraq. To reserve a prominent place among leading construction and engineering companies as the preeminent and sole provider of creative, ambitious, comprehensive, and massive construction solutions and engineering projects. To fulfill the requirements of reconstructing civilized societies and build on advancements and progress made in different facts of life, including, but not limited to, housing, healthcare, transportation, and recreation, thus be committed to the provision of a better lifestyle for Arab nations and, in particular, for the Iraqi people. To ensure an excellent work being applied locally and globally, provided by our guarantee. To achieve engineering integration and professional cooperation among all specialists in the construction domain, starting from the feasibility of projects, preparation of engineering plans, receiving technical consultations, to reaching execution with the utilization of the best construction materials, and finally handing over the project. To build the future through the masterminds of the group's professional personnel by mixing the past with the present and achieving its goal through its participation and involvement in highly important projects. To support as well as promote the building and construction movement forward by adopting an innovative and intellectual engineering vision for the future. To be the world's contractor and employer choice by safety and consistently delivering successful and innovative capital projects and service anywhere in the world. Our mission: to achieve engineering integration and professional cooperation among all specialists in the construction domain, starting from the feasibility of projects, preparation of engineering plans, receiving technical consultations to reaching execution with the utilization of the best construction materials, and finally handing over the project. To build the future through the masterminds of the group's professional personnel by mixing the past with the present and achieving its goal through its participation and involvement in highly important projects. To support as well as promote the building and construction movement forward by adopting an innovative and intellectual engineering vision for the future. To be the world's contractor and employer choice by safety and consistently delivering successful and innovative capital projects and service anywhere in the world. Our business: negotiating and signing contracts and agreements, managing companies and institutions, multilateral or multilateral foreign trade operations conducted outside, sea carriage operation, acquiring and/or enjoying rights deriving from agency agreements related to products, goods, and to the representation of foreign companies on foreign market, opening branches and representation offices abroad, establishing, operating, managing, and acquiring economic projects, opening credits and obtaining loans in order to fund the above-mentioned operations and activities from the banks and financial institutions. Our team. The group is directly managed by a management board that oversees the management of all member companies in the group. Each company is represented by its authorized manager, who is delegated by the company's management team. The leadership board of the group is headed by the chairman, while the management team of each member company is headed by the general manager of that company. In addition, the management team consists of the general manager and heads of departments at that specific company, and those departments connected to each other, which leads to an organized management and easy to connect with. Our services and activities. Energy sector, oil and gas services, EPC contractors for power plants. Construction sector, civil construction, MEP construction, roads and infrastructure, water and wastewater projects, hospitals, housing, commercial centers, investment sector, housing, touristic, amusement parks, hotels, commercial centers, diagnostic centers, mixed-use projects, engineering and project management, engineering services and design, consultancies and supervision, PM utilizing updated QMS systems, procurement and trading, construction material, construction equipment, projects MEP supplies, projects medical supplies, furnishing, heavy machinery,